Matthew McConaughey said that you want to tap into a character's obsession and then get feverishly drunk on those obsessions.
If I can, and this doesn't always happen, tap into a character's obsessions and then just get really feverishly drunk on them.
So if you have an ideal self, which I assume that you do because you're watching this channel, you're watching this video, I attract entrepreneurs, I attract high achievers, I attract people who want more for themselves. So I thought that was pretty interesting when I heard Matthew McConaughey say that, to get feverishly drunk on the obsessions of the character that he's playing. If you have an ideal self, and that ideal self has ambitions, that ideal self has an awesome car, has a fantastic house, owns a $500 million company, what does that person obsess about? Think about that. Go inside, write it down, and then get feverishly drunk on them.